check. Okay, fine. So once again we will dive into the world of functions. It's very important, and first of all we have to understand the kind of functions that we have. Okay, the kind of functions means I'm talking about, if you just name the function and if you just see a particular thing in a particular function, you can immediately tell, okay, how the graph it can make. So let us first start with the linear function. So the graph of linear function fx is ax plus b. You can name it as mx plus c as well. So these variables doesn't play any importance. What importance is, there has to be one coefficient of x and there has to be one constant of x. Okay, how many terms are there? Can you tell me how many terms are there? Two terms. How many terms are there? Two terms. So what kind of function is this? Linear. Why it is a linear function? Because the graph is always a straight line. I want you to give me one example of a linear function. Shrimoy, give me an example of a linear function.
2x plus 3.
Very good. So let us write y or let us write fx. Both can be equal, which is equal to 2x plus 3. Now if I want to make the graph of this, how much time will it take you, Akriti or Shrimoy, to draw the graph of this? How much time will it take?
If I have to draw the entire grid as well, I would say around 7 minutes.
7 minutes. And if you want to draw as a roughly, then how much time will it take? Just 2 points. You have to show 2 points. Just 2 points.
So you lag. What did you say?
I asked you if you want to show me roughly, not to make it proper grade, not to use the ruler, just roughly like this. Roughly 2 lines x and y, and then you have to show me 2 points. How much time will it take you to draw?
That will take like 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
3 minutes. So I will tell you how to draw in just 20 seconds. Okay? Less than 20 seconds you can easily draw the graph and you can understand the image of that graph. So how to draw it? So there are two things in this. One is constant and one is coefficient. You have to focus on these two things. And if you want to imagine this in the real life example, what is 2x plus 3? So 2x plus 3 is like you are going to a shop and you are paying $3 for the parking charges, and then you are buying the chocolates which cost $2 for every chocolate. So it is the amount of bill. Suppose you are going to a mall, you pay $3 for the parking charges of your vehicle, and then you are buying one chocolate. So how much amount you will pay? 3 plus 2, 5. Suppose you are buying 2 chocolates, then you will pay 4 plus 3, 7. Are you getting it? Every time you see this, you have to focus on two things. One is this. This is known as constant, which is also known as fixed charge. What it is known as? Fixed charge. And then there is a coefficient, which is also known as rate. You go to a shop, you ask them if you are going to buy a cloth. Suppose you are going to buy a t-shirt, you will ask, what is the rate of this? He will say, okay, this is cost you $3. Then if you are buying 2, you are going to pay $6. So this is known as a rate and this is known as a constant. Constant is a fixed charge which everybody has to pay. Now suppose you haven't bought anything, so you have to pay the fixed charge, which is 0, 3. So the graph always starts from the constant. That is the first point. Understood? Now the second point, if you want to make, you will see the rate. Now how to decide the rate? So the numerator of the coefficient decides how much you are going to go upward, and the denominator of the coefficient decides how much you are going to go on the right. So how much you will go on up? Tell me. 5, 2 units up. So 5 and 1 unit. So the next point is 1 comma 5, and then you can draw the straight line like this. Understood? Shrimoy, understood beta?
Could you explain it once more?
Yes. So let us take another example. Now Akriti will tell me a linear equation. Tell me Akriti.
5x plus 2.
5x plus 2. Shrimoy, tell me, what is the parking charge here?
Is it the constant or the coefficient?
Yes. Constant is the parking charge, fixed charge. What is the fixed? $2. So you will draw two line like this. And suppose you haven't bought anything, but you have parked your vehicle. So what you will pay? You will pay your $2. Okay, now you are buying one thing. Suppose you are buying anything, it can be of $5. The rate is $5. So you will take 5 units up. You will go 5 units up because now you are paying $5 for 1 unit you are buying. So the another point is going to be 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. So you will show 1 comma 7, and then you can join these 2 points to draw the straight line. Easy?
Does the x value always have to go 1 unit up?
No. So for that, let me make another equation. So it can be 4 by 3x plus 2. Akriti, see this? 4 by 3x plus 2. Now again, we will draw two lines like this. The first point is going to be lie on 0, 2. Now suppose somebody tells you that there is an offer. If you buy 3 t-shirts, you have to pay $4. This 4 by 3 means what? 4 by 3 means you are going to pay $4 to buy 3 t-shirts. Are you getting it, Shrimoy? 4 by 3. The numerator tells you the rate, the denominator tells you the quantity. So 4 means 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. And how much you are buying? 3. So the another point is going to be 3 comma 6. Are you getting it?
Wait, sir, can you repeat that?
Yes. Have you understood that you will pay $2 if you don't buy anything?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose you are buying 3 more things. So 3 more means 3 is the number of t-shirt or the number of chocolate. So there is an offer as well. Sometimes you go to a shop, they will give you, if you are going to buy 1, it will cost you $2. But if you are going to buy 3, it will cost you $4. They give you the offer. So the numerator is the amount of rate that you have to pay. And the denominator is the amount of things that you will buy. So how much t-shirt you are going to buy? 3 t-shirt. And how much you are going to pay? 4. Initially you paid 2. So 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. So the point is going to be 3 comma 6. So the point is going to be 3 comma 6. So another point is going to be here. Let us say 3 comma 6. And then again you will join these 2 points and the graph is ready.
So, sir, are you multiplying? Are you multiplying 3 into 4 by 3?
Yeah, you can say like that. When x is 3, y is 6. Suppose, let us take one more example. You give me an example of a fraction 1. Tell me. Shrimoy, give me an example of a fractional coefficient. I can't hear you.
5 by 2x plus
Can you be a bit louder, beta?
5 by 2x plus 4.
Okay. 5 by 2x plus 1. Now, what is the parking charge? Can any of you tell me what is the parking charge?
$1.
$1. So we will draw two lines and we will show the first point as 0, 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now if I want to make this 5, at what value will this be 5? Tell me. It will be 5 when x will be 2.
Yes.
See, 5 by 2 times something is equal to 5. When what is the value? So that value is 2. So that means if I buy two things, I have to pay how much dollar?
$5.
$5. So I will go $5 up. So when you go $5 up, you have paid 1, so 5 more will be 6. So 2 comma 6 is the another point. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
And then you can join these 2 points to form a line. Understood? Let us see if we have learned this or not. So we have to go to Excel again. System of equations. Okay. Come to A1.
A1 in pre-calculus.
No. A1 in algebra 1. A1 means algebra 1.
Oh, okay.
In that I want you to come to L4.
L4.
Yes. Graph this line using the slope and y-intercept. You have to graph this line.
1 second. Okay, yeah.
Okay, now first see how I
L4.
am doing it. How I am doing it, and then you will do.
Slope, intercept form, graph, and equation.
Yes. So how to do it? So can you see this equation? What is this? 4x minus 4. What is the parking charge?
$4. Or
Minus 4. It is negative
minus
4.
4.
Means if you park there, you will be paid. You are not going to pay. They will give you $4. It is like that.
Nice small.
Yes, because so I have heard a new thing in the Japan that if you walk on a particular thing, so there are some niche at the bottom you have got some cushions due to which they can make electricity. So how much you can walk, that much electricity is produced. So if you park a vehicle, there will be some weight heavy, and then it can produce some electricity. Might be that concept can be derived in India as well. So what is that? Minus $4. So what is the first point, beta? First point is 0 comma minus 4. You have to check this. And then what is the numerator? 4. So you will go 4 units up. That means you will come to 0 and 1 unit on the right, because the denominator is 1.
1.
So the graph is made, and then you have to submit. And then you will have an idea of the graph. Hardly it will take 2-3 seconds. Just do it. Let us, if you want, I can show you one more. See this, 1 by 7. How to do 1 by 7? So first point is 0 comma minus 6 and 1 unit up and 7 units right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you getting it? 1 by 7. 1 unit up. Suppose it is negative 1 by 7. So 1 unit down and 7 unit rights. If it is negative, go down. If it is positive, go up. Alright? Now do it. Very good, Shrimoy. Great going. So finish. Take the questions up to 50. Get 50 marks soon, and then we will move to the next sheet.
Yes, sir.
Coordinator कर लो. Okay. Let me see what mistake you are making. Both of you are making mistakes. So okay, Shrimoy, it is not positive beta, it is negative. So negative graph is like this. See, this is -9. So you have to scroll down 9. You have to go down. In this, it is -1. So first point is 0, -9. And the second point will be 1 unit down and 1 unit right. So it will be 1, -10. Alright. Then if you click on the 2 points, you will get your result. Very good, Akriti. Done. 46. Shrimoy has reached to 32. Okay, Akriti, you are making so many mistakes.
I got one wrong from a misclick and now it keeps going wrong. Wait, I have.
See, you have to understand, beta. Okay, okay. Listen to me. See, one basic thing. The basic thing is, if this angle is acute angle, the slope is positive, the rate is positive. If this is negative, the graph will be like this. Always the graph will be like this. Okay, because it is going down on coming right. So please have a sense of understanding. See, suppose in this you can see the graph you made is positive. Can you see? So it is but obvious that the graph might be wrong. No, just by looking at it I can say it is -5. So the graph is going down when going on the right. So the graph will go like this. It will be an obtuse angle. If the graph is like this, it is an acute angle. So slope is positive, the graph will be going like this. Okay, do it. Shrimoy has reached to 52. Okay, good going, Shrimoy. Till the time she is reaching 50, you do some more questions. Good one, Akriti. Great going. Well done, Shrimoy. So Akriti completed 50. Shrimoy get back to 53. So why, Shrimoy? Again you made up some positive? No, okay, it was a slight mistake only. The starting point has to be negative, instead you made it positive. Okay, this was your mistake. The starting point was your mistake. Again, one more. Shrimoy, what happened, beta? See, again you made the same mistake what I was telling you. The graph is for what? Positive, right? This graph is for positive, it shows acute angle. But can you see the coefficient? It is minus 1 by 4. So minus means you have to scroll down, you have to go down and then 4 units towards the right. Are you getting it, beta? Rest everything is fine. Rest everything is fine. You have to just focus on negative and positive.
When the fraction is negative, is it only the numerator which is negative, or is it also the denominator?
Okay, what do you think? Either one of them can be negative.
Numerator.
So you can make the numerator negative. If you make the denominator also negative, that's also fine. But in that case, again, you will not move right. You have to move left. So either way, you will arrive at the same solution only.
Okay.
Okay. So make one of them negative. I make a convention of making the numerator negative so that there is no confusion. If you want to make the denominator negative, that's fine. Always go up. If the denominator is negative, go towards the left. If the denominator is positive, go towards the right. That's it.
Okay.
So understood?
Yeah.
Now come back. So now let us understand to find whether a function is a linear function or not. Let us see if we can find from the tables or not. So identify linear functions from the graph and the equations. So this is very easy sheet, I think. Can you see the graph? So graph of a linear function is a straight line. Is this a straight line? No. So this is not a linear function. Very easy sheet. This is a linear function. If it is a straight line, it is a linear function. What about this? Is this a linear function?
Yes.
No.
No.
X has
No,
to be in
the
the
X
numerator.
is okay.
X has to be in the numerator. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is non-linear function. So first you have
So
to.
wait, where is this sheet?
This sheet is n1.
N1. Okay.
N1. In the algebra 1, go to N1. And let me see if you are able to find out whether a function is a linear or not. Shrimai, you have to move to N1 beta in the same sheet. Very good. Both of you doing great. Akriti move to 50 immediately. Just 6 questions. Complete this, make it 100 then. It's easy sheet. Just 1 minute it will take.
Misclick.
Okay, Shrimoi has 64 now. 68. Okay, Shrimoi. Good, yeah.
Would the function minus 7 by 2 be linear? I don't think so.
Okay.
There's no variable or anything.
Okay, it will, the graph is going to be a straight line, that's for sure.
Hmm.
Does it mean that the line is like dotted?
What beta?
What does it mean when there's like dots?
Dot means,
They're
okay.
plotting it.
No. So if you join this, it is going to be a linear function, but I don't know what kind of answer it is. It is a dotted function, but it is a linear. You can't say it is a non-linear. Just check it. Check your answer. It
It's
might be.
non-linear. I got the dots which are like curvy. Those are non-linear.
Those are not linear, but I think this is a straight line.
It's a straight line. Yeah, this is linear. I just got that question.
So just 9 by, yeah, this is linear only beta. The graph of this graph is going to be a straight line.
But there's no like x.
There is x. The power is 0.
Oh,
9 by 7 x to the power is 0. I will show you the graph of those function as well.
Okay, I'm done with that sheet.
Okay. Good one. Now let's move to the next sheet, that is N2. In the N2 you have to identify the function from the table. Okay, now how to find it from the table? So you have to find that the rate has been same. See, for x they are consecutive numbers. Are you getting it? So if I am going 1 unit on the right, how much I am going on the top? 1 unit, again 1 unit. So if this change is constant, it is a linear function. It is a linear function, okay, or else it is not a linear function. I will tell you once again. Here you see, from 4, 5 and 6 you are going how many units in the x-axis?
1.
1 unit. And how much you are going on the y-axis?
10.
10. So you are going at a constant rate. Suppose you are buying $4, 4 chocolates, 5 chocolates, 6 chocolates. You are going to pay the same kind of amount that you have to pay. Are you getting it? So this is also a linear function. Alright. So let me check if you can find it from the table. Is this a linear? Tell me. Here the difference is 6. Here the difference is 9. So this is non-linear.
Non-linear.
Do it. And 2. The difference can be positive, negative or constant. The difference can be positive, negative or 0. Okay, Agriti thought that it is 2 again.
Yeah.
So both of you have the same pace, going at the same pace. 37, 37. Good one. What? Okay. Three plus six, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. Okay, this was linear. Why, Shrimoy, you said it is non-linear?
Misclicked.
Huh? This one?
I misclicked.
Okay, okay. You misclicked.
We're going so fast we keep misclicking. Oh no.
So this is non-linear because this is minus 4 and then it is minus 5.
Sir, I have one with mixed fractions.
It's okay.
Uh,
So mixed fraction means you okay. So you have to see whether the difference between both of them are same or not. So how much you have moved from minus 9 to minus 3? Tell me.
minus 9 to minus
How much you have moved?
1.
Minus
1 and
9
a
to
half.
minus 3 you have moved 6 units, 5.5 units. Minus 6.5 units. See, minus 9.5 to minus 3 you have moved minus 6.5. Are you getting it?
Oh, so it's linear.
Yeah. So if here you can see that you have moved the same amount. What about here? So from 10 to 3.5, 10 to no, it is not linear, beta.
No. Y is not linear.
See, try to understand why. Shrimoy, you also look at this. Suppose from here to here I am moving how much from minus 9.5 to minus 3, how much I have moved? 6.5 units. 6.5. Again from here to here I have moved 6.5. So this part is same. So this also has to be same. So how much the difference is this is making? So this is 6.5. Again if I go from here to here, this has to be minus 3.5 or minus 3. But this is minus 9.5, so it is not linear. Shrimoy, are you getting it, beta?
Yeah.
The amount of change in the x has to be equal with the amount of change in the y. Okay, done. Come to the N3. Complete the table and you have to draw the graph. So you have to just do 3-4 questions. Okay, let's complete the table first. So how to complete the table? So what is function? Function is saying you add x plus 3, means whatever number will be given to you, you have to add 3 to it. So 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. Alright? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now you have to draw the graph. So you have to draw the graph of x plus 3. So when you take x is equal to 0, what you are going to get? 3. And if you moved 1 unit in the x-axis, how much you moved in the y-axis? 1 unit only. 1 unit only. See, from 1 to 2 you moved 1 unit in the x-axis. From 4 to 5 you moved 1 unit in the y-axis. So that means I will move 1 unit in the y-axis and 1 unit in the x-axis. So this will be my graph. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So complete the table and draw the graph. Easy. And the coefficient of x is also, the coefficient of x will tell you the rate at which the graph is moving. 3. In this case it is 3. So do N3.
Okay.
Very good, Shrimoi. So Shrimoi had a lot of songs with her. There was one song, Moe Moe.
One of our classmates has her saved as that. Shri Moy Moy. Oh, my battery.
Okay. Angle CBD. CBD. ये वाला पता करना. हाँ, देखो ये 70 ये भी 70 होगा. तो ये दोनों मिला के 110 होंगे. Yes.
What if the C value is plus 19 and the graph is only up to 10? How do I plot that?
Okay, first of all, okay, let us do this question. So if I put x is equal to 3 beta, this will become minus 3 into 3 plus 19. So it will be minus 9 plus 19.
Yeah.
And minus 9 plus 19 is how much beta? It is 10. Okay? Minus 9 plus 19 is how much? 10. Now when you are moving 1 unit towards the x-axis, you will move 3 units towards the y-axis in a downward direction. So this will be minus 7. Oh sorry, this will be 7. Now for 2 units, you will move 6 units. So this will be 1. You don't need to calculate. You can just look at this rate at which the graph is reducing or it is increasing. Listen to me again. Again I am saying, listen to me. Shrimoi and Akriti, both listen to me what I am saying. How to find the solutions more quickly. So can you see that we have got this important thing? Can you focus here? This important thing, this is minus 3. What does it say? It says when you move 1 unit towards the right, you will go 3 units towards the down. Minus 3 means you will go down. Are you getting it? Means the graph is reducing at the rate of 3 units. If it is plus 3, the graph is increasing at the rate of 3 units. If it is negative, it is reducing. Now see this question. The first question is very easy. You have to just replace x by 3 and find the value. So this is going to be minus 9 plus 19, which is going to be plus 10. Alright. Second value, I don't need to put 4 here. I can easily manage. I can see that if the graph is going 1 unit towards the right, the graph is reducing by 3 units. So this will be 7. Again, the graph is moved 2 units towards the right, from 4 to 6. From 4, you have moved 2 units towards the 6. So the graph will go 6 units. For 1 unit, it is lessened by 3. For 2 units, it will be lessened by 6. So 7 minus 6 is how much? 1. Now we have to draw the graph as well. So to make the graph, you can draw 2 points from here. So you can draw 3, 10 and 4, 7. Okay, so 3, 10 is here. So this is 3 and this is 10. So 3, 10 and 4, 7. Here, these 2 points.
Okay.
Okay, both of you are doing good. Agriti, what happened?
Nothing, sir. Calculating.
Minus 22, minus 16. Okay, the value itself is incorrect.
Yeah, very big value. I don't know what I did, but
No, you added these two, I think. You subtracted something.
yeah.
See, so when you took minus 2, minus 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, plus 12. So 12 minus 10 is 2. Rather, you took it as minus 12 and minus 12 minus 10, you make it as minus 22.
Oh, okay. I was so confused. Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So both of you are on the same race. 44, 44. Okay, Shimoy is repetitively making mistakes. Let me see what mistakes she made. Okay, so you got 10. Beta, if you multiply minus 5 by minus 2, you will get 10. Okay, that is fine. 0, 0. For 2, minus 4. For 5, minus 10. Yeah, okay, the value is fine. But the graph you choose is incorrect. So why you made 0, 0? Okay, 0, 0 is fine. Then minus 5, comma.
I misclicked on the graph.
Minus 5, comma. Okay, you clicked on minus 7 and 10. 10.
I misclicked.
Okay. Okay, now come to N5. Rate of change of linear functions.
Okay, sir. Just let me finish this one question.
Okay, okay.
Oh, I was way off.
So you went back. Shrimui came forward. 57.
I went back. I got the same values as correct, but I plotted them wrong.
Okay, let me see. So you plotted a mega wrong. You have plotted in
Yeah,
the
I don't know
fourth,
what did I minus 10, comma.
minus 10 comma 3. So minus 10 has to be here.
I mixed up axis and y-axis. That's all. Okay, okay.
You made 3 comma minus 10.
Whoops. Correct
Rotation.
in spirit, sir. Correct in spirit.
Okay, no issue. Okay, let's move on to the next sheet. That is just after this N5. and then there are some word problems. We have to understand how to do it. Jen is selling lemonade by the glass on the first hot day of the summer. She plans to donate her profits to the local animal shelter. There is a linear relationship between the number of glasses of lemonade Jen sells and the total amount of money she makes. For the first glass sold, she gets $0.75. For two, 1.5. Can you see it is being multiplied by the same number, 0.75 only?
Yes.
The double of 0.75 is 1.5. The triple of 0.75 is 225. It goes like that. So the total amount of money Jen makes increases. Are you getting it? It is increasing.
Yes.
By what dollar? $0.5 per glass. So 0.75 is what? 0.75 is the rate at which it is changing. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Let us see here. So what is happening here? It is increasing or decreasing? Tell me. It is decreasing. It is decreasing. Now we need to find at what rate it is decreasing. So the change in 2 has brought the change of 4 here. So at what rate it is decreasing? It is decreasing by 2 gallons per hour. So you have to find the rate of change from the table. Understood? It's very easy exercise. Let me see if you can do this very easy exercise.
Okay.
So it is N5.
Yeah. N5.
Yes, N5 in that same scenario.
Yeah.
So great going. Shrimoy is understanding the concept more quickly. Well done. Akriti has done 2 mistakes, but covering up 2 by 3 of a liters, 2 1.5. Okay, how you got 2 by 3 here?
Where is it?
How you got 2 by 3 here?
Sir, that was misclicked. They were very close together. The answers, it was one after the other, so I went like this.
Okay. I can understand. Shrimoi is cracking all the questions so quickly. Good one, Shrimoi.
something, but I got it right.
So for the first time, Shrimoy has reached to 82. Oh my God.
Wow. Oh my God. I'm on 44.
You are just half
I'm
over.
fine.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Yes, sir. I cannot misclick again.
Okay, well done. Let's move on to the next sheet. Good one. So you have to complete all the sheets which are remaining. Okay, you can just see by looking at the sheet. If you open your Excel, you will see, okay, this sheet I have half done. So complete at your own time. Okay, you have got 5 more days. After I am teaching only for 2 days, so rest 5 days you just keep doing sheet, complete the sheet. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Rate of change of the linear function from the graph. This is a very easy sheet and you can do this in 2 minutes. Say how.
Rate of change?
Yes,
Of
I will tell you
linear
how to
function
find it.
graph.
I will tell you how to find it. How
Yes.
much more? So you have to find 2 points. This is 1 point and this is 2 point. Where the grid exactly meet up to. You have to find the 2 points where the grid exactly meet up to. Like it, you can't find point here or something like that. You have to find point here. Now you tell me how much unit you have moved up. So 2 units, and how much unit you have moved here? 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see here? From here to here, I have to move 2 units up and 5 units on the right. So the change will be, okay, first of all, it is increasing and at the rate of 2 by 5. Are you getting it? 2 units up and 5 units on the right. Okay, again see here, it is increasing. At what rate it is increasing? So you can see 10 units up and 10 units down. So you can say increasing and at the rate of 1 kilogram, because 10 by 10 is 1. 10 by 10 is 1. Are you getting it? So just by looking at the graph, let me see if you can find the rate. If it is going like this, it is positive. If the graph is like this, it is negative. It is decreasing. Start. The sheet is N6. Okay. So the first question itself is wrong.
Yeah.
1 by 3 is 4 by 3. I think you misjudged. It is 3 by 4 rather than 4 by 3, beta.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, okay, 4 by 3, because that is still 4 by 3. But...
No, see, 3 units up, 4 units down. So it is 3 by 4.
Okay. Misread.
Shrimoy opened with 15 marks. Good going. Now this is decreasing, beta. The graph itself shows you it is decreasing. So you are going 10 units down and 5 units here. So 10 by 5 is how much? 2. Shrimoy, you understood this question? How to do it? No? Okay, let me explain you. See this. First of all, when the graph is making obtuse angle, as I told you earlier, it is decreasing. The graph is decreasing. Now, can you see the decrease? Let us mark these 2 points. Can you see the decrease? The decrease is of 10 units.
Yeah.
And on going right, this is 5. So this is for 5 units. So minus 10 by 5 is how much? Minus 2. So it is decreasing at the rate of 2. Understood?
Yeah.
Akriti, yours also is decreasing,
Yeah,
and at the rate of we can say 3 by 4.
by 4.
3 by 4. It is decreasing at the rate of 3 by 4. So in the previous one was increasing,
Also decreasing.
it was decreasing. The rate is same. By looking at the graph, you can easily tell it is decreasing. Again, decreasing beta. So 8 units down and 3 units, 12 units to the right. So 8 by 12 is how much? 8 by 12 is how much, Shrimoy? 8 by 12 is 2 by 3. 8 divided by 12. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 3 is 12. You understood or not? Shrimoy, no? Okay. I think I'm too faster. Say this. Can you mark 2 points here?
Yeah.
Can you see 2 points? Now how much you came down, beta?
8.
And how much you moved towards the right? So you can see in the graph it is 12 units.
Yeah.
So it is 8 by 12. So you have to simplify this. So 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 3 is 12. So the answer is decreasing at 2 by 3.
Okay.
Okay, Akriti has done many incorrect questions. Akriti, what happened, beta?
Wait.
So you are mixing x with the y again.
Oof.
Rather than writing 2 gallons, you wrote half a gallon. The same mistake you are doing. Here also, I think, you see, okay, how you made $1, it is 1.5. So you are not
I think
looking
that
at
was
the,
just general
see,
misjudgment.
you have to do in 2 steps. First step is to mark the 2 points, write in your notebook, and then write the change in y and the change in x. That's it. Divide it, write in the simplified form. So is it increasing? So the another point is this one, 100 comma 300. Can you see that? Okay, you have done this and done this right. Good one. Great going, Shrimoy. Again, Akriti.
Misclicked. Whoopsies. I'll just use the touchscreen.
Okay. Okay, 2 by 3 and 1 by 2. I hope that you are understanding how, what is the right answer, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, come to the next sheet. I hope you can do this as well. You have understood the concept, Shrimoy, Akriti, both of you.
Yes.
Rate of change. The same thing we are learning. See, we have to master this. Linear part, we have to master this. In the next class, then we can master quadratic. Then we can start with trigonometric. So, one by one, we have to master. Alright?
Yes.
So in the linear, again see this. You have to find y-intercept. Okay, the sheet is about intercept the slope and the y-intercept of the linear function.
Yes.
So what is the intercept? You can see intercept, I told you, is the starting point. It is the starting point. So it is 9600. Now, what is the y-intercept of the line tell you about the situation? So now you have to understand in the real world, what does it say? As I said, it is the parking charges. But here it is not the parking charges. Let us understand the story. So Deb rides the Snowcrest mountain ski lift to get on the top of the trail. Her elevation increases throughout the ride. So elevation, you can see it is increasing throughout the ride. This situation can be modeled as a linear relationship. This is what. So what does this say? This says that the starting point is 9600 above the sea level. What does it say? That from where he is starting, the y-intercept is the parking charges, you can say. It is the fixed from where you are starting your positioning. So the starting is 9600 feet above the sea level because this is elevation. So the ski lift start at an elevation of 9600 feet. So this is our answer. Understood? Let's read the next one. Anne had an ice sculpture delivered for her parents' anniversary party. The sculpture got shorter as it melted. So it is getting shorter because it is melting. Now this situation can be modeled as a linear relationship. They have modeled it. Now you can see what is happening. Height is decreasing as the time is increasing. Can you see the graph? When the time is increasing, the height is decreasing. What does the y-intercept of the line tell you about the situation? What does it say? That the melting starts when the height of that particular thing was 14 inches. Okay, let us see where the answer is. The sculpture's height decreased. No, this is not. The sculpture was 14 inches tall when it was delivered. Understood?
Yes.
One more question. So again y-intercept. So y-intercept will tell you about the 12. So you can see where is 12. 12, 12, 12. So here it is 12. You can find the answer like that as well. Okay. So the situation can be modeled as this. What does the slope? Now the slope is there. So let us find the slope. Slope can be found by putting 2 points. So one point is 0, 0, another point is 10, 40. I hope you are getting it. Now if I want to find the slope, what I will do? I will do 40 divided by 10. What is the change in y? And what is the change in x? The change in y is 40. 40 by 10 is what? 4. So I will look for 4. So I can see 4 here. Kendrick uses 4 red drops for every 1 blue drop. You can see from the graph as well. For every 1 blue drop, it is using 4 red drop. That's why for 10 it is getting 40. Are you getting it? I'm not reading the question as well. So I can make out, see what I need you to have is have a sense of relationship between the linear function. You should understand the graph, you should understand the table, you should understand how to write the equation. Just by looking at the equation, you can draw the graph. Just by looking at the graph, you can write the equation, both simultaneously, vice versa. And if it is negative, you can see that it is decreasing. So the graph will be negative in this case. So you have to understand this. Are you getting it? So up to here is your homework. We can say from N1 to N7, you have to do all the sheets. N1 to N7. In fact, yeah, N7 is fine. If you can do N8 as well, that's fine. Or else you can finish all the sheet. N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, N6, N7. So that I can ensure that you have mastered linear.
Yes.
Before that, one more tip, Shrimoy and Akriti. You can watch the video on the right side. You can, for every sheet, there is a video as well. Watch a video. So whatever I have taught you, you might get something new from this video. Please do watch the video. It is not more than 4 or 5 minutes. Any video, you can spend that much time before starting the sheet. It will revise your concept as well. You can see it is of just
you're going to learn
5 minutes. Okay. So 5 minutes video, 10 minutes in the sheet you can easily do. Chalo, bye. We will meet on Thursday 6 to 7 p.m. again.
Yes, sir. Okay. Bye,
Bye.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Yes.